to make their own stuff. Hey, Jin.
Yeah.
Where you going?
I was gonna head outside. I got some homeboys outside downstairs.
You got what? What? Ça va, il fait la vidéo.
Friends, Dad.
My son, I see you in the house. You don't do nothing. You don't do shit. It don't make sense. Okay? Well, what you want to do? Huh? What you want to be?
Look, actually, what I really want to be with...
You want to be a doctor?
Yes, I see. I'm seeing that the doctor to clean the people. Look at the patient. If the patient can be dies, you save the patient to meet the patient so the patient does see Jesus.
Well,
See that? That's
actually,
good.
what I had in mind, I was going to...
You want to be a lawyer? I see that. But you cannot be, you got to be Christian man to be the lawyer because you cannot be the guys to kill the guys. The guys can be go to jail. You got to let the guy go to jail. You got to kiss the guys. Right?
Not quite a
I
lawyer.
see that, yes, the lawyer.
No, that's not what I had in mind. Actually, what I was going to go ahead...
You the internet guys. You to be to build this.
Dad, I'm gonna be a rapper. I'm gonna be a rapper. I'm gonna be a rapper. I got bars, Dad. Real bars. I'm gonna be something.
Okay, you say you want to help.
Yeah.
You can be go to beat the people, to find the bar, to go to the studio, to rap, and you're gonna be you're gonna be mix the tape. You're gonna be mix the tape to sell the tape, right? You want to be the guy in the Walmart to sell the tape. You want to be the guy in the gas station to sell the tape. You want to be the guy in the Stop and Go. They sell the tape.
I want to be like Meek Mill.
No, you want to be McMiz. 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 You want to be Mickey? That's right. You want to be McMiz? Mickey Miz?
Yeah, I want to rap.
Because I make in United States to put a house over your head. See, you to school, you don't do shit in school. To come into the house to tell me you want to what?
Man, you need to get your hands off me, man. Think about it. You have to respect me. I'm gonna...
Come
on, Pop.